Okay, so I have an Akropovic here for Honda CB650R, and to my disappointment there is a blob of weld on the screw, so I can't take the baffle out and it doesn't sound as good. So our mission here is to actually grind this down. I'm going to use a Dremel with a grinding tool, so let's see how we get on. So here's my Dremel with a grinding bit, and let's see how we get on with this one. Moment of truth. Look at that. That's a pain in the ass trying to do that. You can see it's so small. The bits obviously take chunks out on the tops as well, but carefully done as much as possible. But that's the result. So I'm gonna have to replace the new screw with that. But that's gonna give some wanted noise now. Okay, that was tight as anything. I had to use a crowbar, had to use a hammer, and it's finally out. Bloody hell, that was tough. That's gonna sound fruity now.